How I started GoNutrients. Actually, it started a couple of years back. One of the reasons why I started this, because when I wanted to have my own brand, the first thing that I had to do was I had to talk to different companies. The first company that I talked to was a manufacturing company that can provide powdered juices. The second company, after talking to a manufacturing company that can do the formulation, is I was looking for a company that was doing sachet print like Nescafe or Copica, which was kind of challenging because majority of the time they were coming from China, or if I found one here locally in the Philippines, the minimum order was so huge. Now, when I had a supply ready for the sachet, the next step was looking for a printing press which would create the box to put in the sachet. So that was the third company I talked with. Now, when I had the sachet, the box, the formulation there, the last step was how do I process it in FDA, which was kind of challenging because you need to have connections, or you need to be really familiar in terms of, who would be the right people to talk to, what are the things that you need to submit. So actually it took me like 6 to 8 months before I had my own product. Now, when I had my own product, after like a year or two, I decided, hey, how can I help aspiring entrepreneurs like myself, but on a shorter process? When I say a shorter process, like let's say 1 to 2 months only. So what I did is I gathered a team of chemists, research and development, graphic artists, operations, logistics that can consolidate everything from start to finish. So instead of like 6 to 8 months to have your own brand, it took us like 2 months. So yeah, I think that's where it all started. And the best part about it is not just for us earning money, but we also help a lot of different entrepreneurs. And if their business is booming, they also provide livelihood for other employees or other people, not just here in the Philippines, but also abroad. So yeah, that's pretty much how I started GoNutrients.